Thank God for autopilot. Look at that, where we came from is clearing up. If you can see the horizon there. Whoops. You gotta hold on, man. You wanna come for the ride, you gotta hold on. Yeah, look at that. That's a sliver of clear blue skies over there. Look at this wave coming at us. Yippee. So we got 3 reefs in the main. That's what we've done. 5.8, 6.1. Yeah, so you know what, we're doing over 5 knots, but when we slide down a wave, then we pick up some speed. We're okay. Really rolly though. Not as comfortable as one might want, but better than a ride on a roller coaster. Well, this is what it is. We're in a washing machine right now.
You were close.
I know that. You said to stay close to the marker.
No, I said go into the middle because we cut off the edge.
Okay.
That's
All
what
right.
I said.
Okay. Is that what you said? Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
So in other words, go that way.
Don't touch. We're good. I'm out here.
No.
There's your shallow part right there. Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay. See the color of the water?
Yes. But
Okay.
there's
Here we
one
go.
on this side.
Here we go. Here we go.
And you're down to 1 foot, John.
Okay. Okay. Stop.
1
Stand by.
foot. Like I said. Fuck, man, you're so far off the track.
Not my track.
Yeah, mine, which you can see, yeah, definitely off your track.
Oh my God! Critical move here.
Yes. Not paying attention again. Go over, John. Do not go straight. Go over there. Get back here. This is what I have to put up with. He thinks that, oh, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, it's going to be a great day. When we left Florida, oh, it was awesome. It's great weather. It's great weather. And then we get here, well, that was pretty shit. The weather was pretty crap, the waves and everything. And I said it right at the beginning.
Oh my God! I know you guys understand the pain I'm going through right now.
Lives in a fantasy. It's not realistic.
I know. Look at that. Look what I'm looking at right now. Wow. Good morning, Bahamas. See, I'm more the fun person. She's like the witch from Kansas. You can hear those noises. Those are things in the sink, creaking and cracking, and they said sailing would be fun. That's all your dishes, dear.
I know what it is.
We are rolling in to Nassau Harbor. It gets really complicated here because of all the activity. We have to ask permission to enter the harbor from the harbor master. Now Sandy's already done that, and we're okay to come in here. We're going to be passing right by these cruise ships actually. Have ever been on a cruise ship before, but Sandy and I have, and like it's 13 stories tall and just massive. How do these things stay upright? You know, 6,000 people on board. It's incredible. My daughter and husband and granddaughter are going on a Disney cruise. Yep, they've opted for a Disney cruise instead of the Navicula cruise. How's that, eh? That Disney cruise ship there is called the Disney Dream. Years ago, I talked to that captain, or at that time, in the middle of the night, crossing the Gulf Stream. We were on a collision course, and how many stories is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 just in windows and balconies and the top there. Okay, that's 8, and then you've got 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh yeah, 13 for sure. These bridges and the markings are. You've got to know your navigation, and it's kind of terrifying a bit, especially for somebody new. But like, the buoys are not there, the lighting's not there. Everything's just, oh well. All right, short sleeve shirt, shorts on, and we are in 11 feet of water, cruising along at about 5 knots. Sandy's gonna have to tighten this, these shorts up. She's gonna have to pull the button in. These things are loose, or if there's somebody else's, I don't know. But they're certainly not mine. Maybe Sandy's got a boyfriend. There's a sandbar, guys, and we're heading right for the tip of it. This drives Sandy nuts because she wants me to turn to starboard, right? And now she's just waiting me to ground this thing.
But then he gets angry when he runs aground or has a problem.
Okay, so you go ahead, Sandy. Look at that. What is that? Is that like a twin? Is that a, oh, that is just a big super yacht. Big cage on the front. Is that like a helicopter pad on the front of it? I think it might be.
Maybe it's a pen for a pet.
Pen for a pet. Or volleyball or basketball. I don't know. They have to anchor way out because they can't get close like those other boats near shore. And what happens is they have to take their dinghy into shore to go to the beach. Now, guys, their dinghy is the same size as the Navicula. They've got a goddamn basketball court on their deck. Okay, in case you want to throw some hoops. Yeah, littered. Bahamas is just littered with super yachts nowadays. I mean, over the last couple of years. They're cool. They're cool. They're really cool. I don't mind them. A lot of people hate them, you know, but I think they're so cool. Don't fall off, dear. Please do not fall off. Well, if you do fall off, that means all the complaining will stop.
You know what? This is so far on the screen. It's much closer in person, but my God, this ship, it's like a cruise ship.
I don't think I'd want a super yacht. I mean, like, come on, that thing's got crew on board, like 20 crew, or just think of it. I don't want all those people looking at me while I'm walking around naked. Why would I want that?
Nobody wants to see that, John.
I mean, they wouldn't work for me then as crew.
Oh, they wouldn't be around you. They'd be running, jumping off the back of the boat.
Because, I mean, I want to be comfortable.
Okay.
A spot. The boat name is Man of Steel. Canadian billionaire out of Windsor. And guess what? Happy New Year to him. And you got to remember, these people, you got to remember, these Canadian billionaires, they're huge philanthropists, guys. They donate so much money and do so much charity work and for community centers. It's unreal. Like, don't forget it. They may be billionaires, but they really help the communities out.
John's happier than a pig in shit because he gets to anchor in front of the Grotto for New Year's Eve. Did you get it into the sand?
Yeah, we're just on the edge here, yes. This is grass. Don't worry. Hey, we are anchored right in front of the Grotto here, where the James Bond movie was filmed. Okay, and there's the opening there at low tide. Stand Your Yacht Club is right there. We can get laundry done, get fuel. This is just fabulous. We're expecting some north winds tonight, so this will protect us over here. We'll be protected. And we're just letting out a lot of chain.